Look, let's dial it back to October 2018, and we saw the market start to peel off quite aggressively and talking itself almost into recession. So by Christmas time, the market had collapsed almost, and everyone was talking recession in the United States. And then we saw the Fed put the put back in on the market, and a bounce that you wouldn't see regularly, a very, very sharp, almost V-shaped bounce in equity markets across the globe. So we've had a very good sentiment move January, February. I think we're now into that consolidation phase where the market needs to sustain this rally in order for it to push higher. And then it comes back to the fundamentals. Once you've had this move, which is a bit of a V-shaped recovery of negative sentiment turning into positive, we now move towards fundamentals again.
And you know what's interesting, coming back to that sentiment point, I remember at the beginning of 2018, so almost a year ago, people were very, very positive about the outlook, and then what transpired was just hiccup after hiccup for markets, a lot of financial market volatility. This year, we started the year with a lot of negativity, and if anything, the exact reverse has happened. My question to you is, where do you think the speed bumps are going to come from this year? Everything seems to be going way too well and too smoothly.
Well, we already know what the speed bumps are potentially, and right now they're not speed bumps because they're in reasonably good shape in terms of expectations. So you've got US-China trade is still a speed bump. It hasn't been resolved, although the sentiment appears to be positive. And Brexit is still a major issue. Okay, we might get a delay in Brexit, but that's okay for the markets, not necessarily good for the economy in both Europe and the UK. And of course, you've got US slowdown. We've got mixed data. Last night we saw very poor housing starts numbers, but a very good confidence figure. So we'll be watching data closely in the US to see how that economy slows. We know the US economy is slowing, it's just how sharply. At this stage, we don't think it's happening aggressively, but we're watching data very closely. So they're the speed bumps that have been apparent. At the moment, they look okay.
Hey everybody, it's Hadley Gamble from our new CNBC Middle East Bureau in Abu Dhabi. Thanks for stopping by. Now to watch more, you can try one of the videos that just popped up on your screen. And don't forget to subscribe.